Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In this video, we are going to learn about multimedia and embeds in HTML. Till now, we were working mostly with text, images, and links, but real website also have audio, videos, YouTube player, maps, and PDF. So today I will show you how to add all of these using pure HTML step by step in a very simple way. And as always, the PPT and complete source code are available in the video description, so you can download and practice along with me. So in this video, you will learn what multimedia means in HTML, how to use the audio tag, video tag, and what the source element does, and how to embed YouTube videos, how to embed Google Maps, different between iframe and embed, and finally some best practices also. Don't worry if these sounds new, we will understand everything with real example. Multimedia simply means media content other than the text. HTML allows us to add audio files, video, source, animation, and even external website or tools. So now let's see them one by one, starting with the audio tag. So in the audio, inside the body tag, let's move to VS Code and add the audio tag. So inside the body tag, let's add our first multimedia element, that is the audio. And here we are using this audio tag and the controls here. This control attribute show play, pause, and volume buttons in the multimedia. And inside the audio, we use the source tag. And inside this, we have to give the path of this audio file. This is ss and audio.mp3, and we also have to give the what type it is, type audio mp3, and also we have to give the last line is the fallback text. If the browser cannot play audio, the message will appear. The message like your browser does not support the audio element. So now these are the normal audio. Let's see in the, if you see, it's muted and playback speed also. So there are also some audio attributes. The most common attributes are the controls, autoplay, muted, loop, preload, and the controls are like these play pause button or the playback speed or the muted this mic. And autoplay is the start playing automatically, and muted is start without sound. Loop is repeat the audio, infinite loop. And in the real website, we avoid the autoplay unless it is really needed. Now let's add a video. For video, it is similar to the audio, just write the video src no video controls and a source tag, give the path just and this video.mp4, type of this video mp4, and a fallback message, your browser does not support the video tag. So the video tag almost the same as the audio, and we can give the multiple source file like this source, and we can also just give them. And the width attribute controls the video size in this by just setting width and 500. And again we provide a fallback text for safety reason. So if you see here, see this, it's running a control, play, pause, and the full screen and these buttons. Now video supports the controls, autoplay, muted, loop, poster, width and height, and everything is similar to the audio, controls, autoplay, muted, loop, but the poster is new one. Poster is like the showing the thumbnail before play. It is very useful for showing a preview image. Let's make a poster for here, poster, and give the path assist and this dog image. Let's see this is it looks like a thumbnail. It's act as a thumbnail. When I click on this play button, now the video start. So next is the iframe tag. The iframe tag is used to embed external content. This can be a YouTube video or Google Map or form or other any website. So let's see example, basic example of a website. Just write iframe and we have to give the source what we want to add. So I'm just adding this Wikipedia HTML page and just give the link here, and width is the 600, height is the 400, and allow full screen. Now let's see. Yes, if you see this, this is similar to the same one HTML Wikipedia page. And this next is the embedding YouTube video. This is also similar to the website, just we have to get the video link here, just share and copy the link and write iframe, and in the source first we have to give the https://www.youtube.com and embed and the video ID. Here the video ID is this one, www.kathj0jae till the question mark. And also we can give the width and height attributes 560, height is the 350. Now let's see. If you see, this video comes here and we can also play this. Now next is the embedding the Google Maps. Google Maps is the for that we have to just go to the Google Maps and search a location, or like I click on this New Delhi and click on the share button, embed a map and copy HTML. You can set the size large or copy HTML and just paste here. Now let's see here this. So now if you see this, I click on this New Delhi here and I get this. Next one is the embedding a tag. Embedding tag is mostly used for the PDF document or simple animation. It has less control compared to the iframe actually. So let's add a file in this page, embed, and give the path of this file assist and resume.pdf. And also we can give the width and height of this 400 and width is the 500. And let's see in this. If you see, this is a document where comes here, this PDF file comes here. And for advanced control, iframe is usually better as compared to the embed tag. Now always follow these best practices. Use the multiple formats for better browser support, and always add fallback text, and use control for the better user experience. Avoid heavy autoplay experience content, and optimize video size before the uploading, and use iframe carefully to avoid performance issue. So today we learn how HTML support multimedia, how to use audio and video tag, how source work, and how to embed YouTube and Google Maps, difference between the iframe and these embed tag. and these features are used in almost every modern website. So that is for this video. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to JD Codebase and share it with your friends. Don't forget, PPT slides and complete source code are available in the video description. In the next video, we will continue building our web development skill step by step. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.